I moved to Tassie just over a year ago now from Queensland, so born and raised Gold Coast girl, and jumped in my car and moved down, not knowing anyone or anything about Hobart, and hoping for the best.
I love the northwest coast. Even in the winter, it's a really beautiful place to be. The people are wonderful. I think the people of Tasmania are the reason why I came over in the first place.
So from where we were living in Queensland, it was getting really busy, especially in the last couple of years. And we were sitting in traffic for long periods and it was taking forever to get anywhere. We just really wanted a simpler way of living, and that's what Tassie has brought for us.
Before moving to Hobart, we had just been living in London, and so I think we were feeling a little scared about what that would be like, moving to a really small place. There was so much more happening here than I realised there would be.
I work across an acute medical ward, a rehabilitation and in emergency, so I really get to see the whole spectrum of patients. Because of the support I get, I think I'm definitely going to be a better clinician for it.
So when I first came here, I had a couple of areas that I really wanted to have some exposure to that I hadn't before. And when I broached that with my team, they were very encouraging. They facilitated those opportunities for me so that I could have experience.
Working in an acute tertiary hospital was one of my dreams. The supports around me have been fantastic, and not only do I feel like my skills are growing, but that I'm a really valued member of the team.
The transition to work down here was really easy. Everyone was really family orientated and the work-life balance was really enjoyable for me. It's accepted that everyone has a life outside of work.
I really enjoy working in Tasmania because it's quite a small team, which gives us challenges, but also opportunities to work with all different client groups.
It's been amazing. I'm not heading back to the mainland anytime soon. Hobart has been really great, not only from a work perspective, but I was really surprised at the amount of young people and the friendships I've made in that year are some of the best that I've got.
Especially with Launceston itself, there is that up-and-coming food and nightlife scene, and that's quite appealing for someone like me.
It's a really nice, warm community here. Everyone's really welcoming, and as soon as we've moved here to Launceston, everyone's embraced new people and invited us in, so that we've felt connected to Tassie really quickly.
I'm a single parent and I work part-time, but the quality of life that I enjoy and the work-life balance, I don't think I could get anywhere else. I didn't come to Tasmania with the intention of staying very long, but here I am 9.5 years later.
I've come to really enjoy, especially now, the change of seasons. I also really enjoy the contrast that you could drive to a beach and then in an hour's time be in the mountains and have that landscape and be able to go for a walk.
I think Tassie used to have a reputation for being a bit of a backwater. So much has changed, there's so much happening with amazing food and art and that kind of thing, and it really feels like a place that people come to, and it's a cool place to be now.
Everyone I've met is super passionate about the city and Tassie in general, and I love bringing or inviting family and friends down and showing them my new home.
I've loved Tassie every minute we've been down here, and I would be highly encouraging of anyone who would love to come down and potentially work in Tasmania.
The team very much values all opinions. It does make you feel like you have investment into this team and this service.
If anyone's thinking about moving down to Tassie, I would say do it. It's been fantastic and I've got support through every step of the way.
So many opportunities. You'll come and you probably won't leave.